Welcome everyone to the card kit reveal and inspiration for a very special card kit called Fresh Air Flowers. This is a limited edition kit with so many fun things for you to play with, and I'm going to start off with the Fresh Air Flower 6x8 stamp set. These feature 4 styles of flowers, and they are layering flowers, and we have labeled the package in the grouping. So you have group A, and you have all those pieces, and there's a little index. And then also same for group B, along with a little outline of some of those smaller elements that are off to the right. And then down in the bottom, we have some smaller ones that are also labeled for easy identification. And then finally, the last set at the bottom. So these are really fabulous stamps to use with our positively saturated inks, and there's some really great messages that you can pair with these to make your cards. Another great item in this kit is a 4-piece stenciling set, and these are layering stencils called Hearts of Bloom. And when you're done using all the layers, you can have a sample such as this heart. So you can do the outline wood area and then add in your leaves and flowers in the different layers. Super fun to work with, and those are 4x4 stencils. We also have a couple dies for you in this kit, and this is the pocket gift card holder, and it features a scallop top and also some embossed lines so you can fold those flaps back and attach it to your card. So this fits a gift card just perfectly with a little bit sticking out of the top. So once the pocket is attached to your card, it's easy for the recipient to pull out the card. Another die in this kit is the Fancy Mom, if you'd like to celebrate Mother's Day. And this is a 2-piece die, so you get that outside shadow area and then the detailed inside area for Mom. The papers for this kit are from Crafter's Companion, and these are called Wildflowers, and they're really gorgeous flower paintings almost. They look impressionistic to me, almost like Monet. So you have the front and back side, 6x6, and the back side has that same background color as the front side. These are perfect for using as backgrounds, or you could also use them with your dies in the kit to create some fun pockets for gift cards. Some of the colors are just absolutely gorgeous with a lot of lavender and pink and some even fresh orange for spring. So that's 12 sheets double-sided, and I'm going to flip through these one more time because they're absolutely beautiful, and I think you'll love them too. Next up, we're including a brand new tool for Simon Says Stamp. This is the exclusive Place and Pierce embellishment wand. So on one side, you have a really nice long piercing element, and this is great for piercing holes into your projects or also pushing your papers through your dies to release them. And on the other side, we have a tacky ball, and this is for placement. It's designed to pick up some of your sequins, beads, and other embellishments so you can place them onto your projects. If you use wet glue to place your sequins and beads in place, you can wipe off the ball end if it does get glue with a baby wipe or wet paper towel to preserve the tackiness. You'll also receive a package of Simon Says Stamp Green Meadow sequins, and these are perfect for spring with their nice soft colors, and they go beautifully with the 6x6 papers in the kit. You'll also receive a sheet of the Sassy Mama sentiment strips, and these are made by CZ, and these have some really fun messages for Mother's Day, and they're in that teasing CZ manner where they're just a little bit funnier and non-traditional. They're printed with primer ink, so you can use your deco foils and laminator to foil those up. You'll also receive a package of the Prima wood stickers, and these are really beautiful, vintage looking, and they do have a sticky back. So once you peel them from that substrate, you can stick these under your cards and tags. And the designs feature a nice springy vintage look. We're also including a sheet of the Darice 1/4-inch foam squares. They're easy to peel away from the substrate so that you can add some dimension to your cards. You'll also receive 3 of the American Craft metallic washi tapes in copper chevrons, silver polka dots, and gold stripes. Another great item in this kit is the Tim Holtz collage frames, and these come in 3 different sizes, and there are 4 in each size. And you can use these for collaging your papers or even using for photographs and having more of a mixed media look. And for more of a project idea, we have this craft bottle box, and it has a really nice window. You can decorate this up and fill it with cookies or truffles or other gift items to pair with wine as a gift-giving idea. We've included a 6 by 10 clear bag for you to be able to create some edge-to-edge shaker cards. You just need to cut this in half, and once you trim off the edges, you have enough to make 4 edge-to-edge shaker cards for A2. And to use that, we are also including a roll of our terrific tape, and that's the 1/8 inch, so you can use that to wrap that bag around your cardstock and fill it with some sequins for your shaker. Another item that you will get is a package of 3 of our A2 pre-scored note cards, and these are made from 120-pound cardstock, so they're really nice and durable. We have some envelopes for you, and this first one is a gift card sleeve, so you just need to open that up, and you can slide your gift card in, and it can be stamped and put either on the inside or the outside of your cards. You'll receive 3 of our mailing envelopes, and this one is Metallica Crew with that no lick 'em to stick 'em adhesive, and then also 2 of our Slimline mint envelopes. And finally, you'll get 3 card stocks from Simon Says Stamp, and those are lavender, cornflower, and doll pink, and those are 100-pound. And that's it for the reveal, and up next I have some inspiration for you from our designers. I'll start off with my card where I've cut out around my stenciled Heart a Bloom stencil piece and added that to a die-cut lavender card holder and then the die-cut mom on top. Kelly Person created her magic by stamping all the flowers onto a background and using one of the messages stamped in white on black cardstock. Kathy Zelsky stenciled her Hearts a Bloom stencil onto a white card base and then added mom and a sentiment strip to finish it off. Nina decorated her bottle holder with the Tim Holtz frame, which fit perfectly over that window, and then added in some of the wood stickers and then filled the window with flower petals. And finally, Susie Plantamera did a beautiful watercoloring with her markers and the stamps to create a colorful background. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and inspiration of our latest card kit, Fresh Air Flowers. It is a limited edition kit and will only be available while supplies last. And we do have some links down in the description box below for you on how to purchase this kit and also a link to our blog post with additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.